In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude to Obsidian. First, let's start by opening Obsidian. You'll see the familiar interface that you're used to. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app, and opening it is the first step towards integrating Claude. Make sure you are in the right vault where you want to set up this integration. This is important because the changes you make will only apply to the vault you have open. Once you have opened Obsidian, you will be ready to navigate to the settings. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, navigate to Settings and then go to Community Plugins. You can find the Settings option in the lower left corner of your screen. Clicking on it will open a new menu where you can customize various aspects of Obsidian. Under the Settings menu, find the Community Plugins section. This area allows you to add new functionalities to your Obsidian experience. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this section because it opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your notes. At this point, you might see a prompt asking you to turn off safe mode. If this happens, go ahead and disable safe mode. Safe mode is a feature designed to protect your workspace from unverified plugins. However, since you are intentionally adding the Companion for Claude plugin, you need to turn it off. This step ensures that you can install and use third-party plugins without any restrictions. Once that is done, click on the Browse button. This will take you to the plugin marketplace within Obsidian. Here, you'll be able to see a wide variety of plugins that can enhance your note-taking experience. The Browse section is like a treasure trove for users who want to expand their Obsidian capabilities. You will notice different categories and popular plugins listed, making it easy to explore what's available as you look for the Companion for Claude plugin. Now search for Companion for Claude in the search bar. Typing this into the search field will narrow down the list of plugins to find exactly what you need. You should see the plugin appear in the search results. This is a vital step because it allows you to find the specific plugin you want to integrate. Having the right plugin is key to connecting Claude effectively. From there, click on Install and then Enable. This action will initiate the installation process for the Companion for Claude plugin. Once you click Install, Obsidian will download and set it up for you. After installation, click on Enable to activate the plugin. This step is important because it ensures that the plugin is ready for use, allowing you to leverage its features to enhance your notes. You may see a confirmation message that indicates the plugin is now active. You've now successfully connected Claude to Obsidian. This integration will allow you to use Claude's powerful capabilities within your notes, enhancing your overall productivity. It's a straightforward process, but each step is critical to ensure everything works smoothly. Remember, with each plugin you add, you are unlocking new potential in your note-taking journey. Thank you for following along and enjoy using Claude with Obsidian.